guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. A rather special one again. आज 4th है लेकिन कल, which is the 5th of June, is World Environment Day. So I had this video planned that I was waiting to upload when it's World Environment Day. One of the most common conversations जितनी बारी भी बात होती है about sustainability, about living an organic life, about living a life which is more conducive and helpful to our fight against climate change. बात हमेशा यही होती है. And these are conversations जो मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स में, फैमिलीज में, जितनी बार व्यूअर्स से मेरी बातें होती है, इफ आई एम स्पीकिंग एट अ पैनल डिस्कशन, होता है कि प्राजक्ता यूजुअली ये सारी बातें करने को बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं, बट हाउ कैन वी एक्चुअली मेक अ डिफरेंस. मिथ ये है, ऐसा लगता है कि मेकिंग ऑर्गेनिक और सस्टेनेबल चेंजेस इन योर लाइफ कैन बी एक्सपेंसिव, व्हिच आई अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम. क्योंकि अगर आपने जाकर बाहर प्लास्टिक की पानी की बोतल खरीदी 10 रुपए में आ जाएगी, लेकिन अगर कांच की पानी की बोतल खरीदनी पड़ी तो उसको आपको 40, 50, 100 रुपए भरने पड़ेंगे. आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस डिस्पैरिटी इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग how to adapt a life that can be sustainable but at the same time not be expensive, because let's be real, everyday life में अगर इसको आपको अपनी lifestyle बनाना है, you have to also want to do it. So here are a few things that I do in my life. Now disclaimer, these are not like oh हमने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं था. These are very basic things जिसके बारे में मैं already बहुत बार बात कर चुकी हूँ, but I feel like ये conversation ऐसी है ना कि जितनी बार करो उतना कम है. So here are about 5 to 6 things that I do in my life that help me with leading a more sustainable life without actually spending any money. So you can actually be sustainable and make this your lifestyle for absolutely no money. Free. No spending will happen. In fact, effort would be lesser from what you would do otherwise. So here are 5 things that you can do to lead a more sustainable life for absolutely no extra cost. Very very basic. मतलब शुरुआत में बता दूं कि recycling, reusing, composting, cleanliness, ये सब तो मतलब basic है. This is just something that you should know. इतना भी basic नहीं बताऊंगी मैं. इतना तो आपको अपनी खुद की responsibility लेके करना ही पड़ेगा. Number 1, you see me carry my batla everywhere. Carry your own reusable bag and reusable bottle. Everywhere you go, you are in need of water, you are in need of a handbag when you're shopping, when you're traveling, कुछ भी हो, please अपने साथ अपनी bottle carry करो. When you're at airports, offices, railway stations, there are places where you can refill these bottles. और when अगर आप घर से लेके चल रहे, जैसे मैं एक 2 लीटर, I'll show you. मैं इनको लेके घूमती हूँ हर जगह. Today I have not hit my water intake, but I will by the time we go to bed. 2 liters of water, good enough for me, keeps me hydrated. Skin is skinning and environment is happy. So yeah. Carry this with you everywhere you go. Number 2, opt for digital alternatives. जैसे paperwork हो, invitations हो, posters हो, किसी भी तरह का communication जिसके लिए usually, I know I used to do this all the time. I love printouts. I love putting it out all there. I like making little presentations with markings on it and everything. Growing up, I would do that all the time. कि जो भी हुआ, जो भी है, मेरा vision board, everything I would get printed, put on places, things like that. We're not in a place where we can afford that luxury anymore. So don't do that. Look for digital alternatives. अगर आपको invitations भेजने तो फिजिकली इन्विटेशन, शादी के हो, पार्टी के हो, किसी भी पूजा के हो, इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रिंटिंग देम आउट फिजिकली एंड सेंडिंग देम अक्रॉस, मे बी यू कैन डू डिजिटल ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. इफ यू हैव टू गेट पेपर वर्क, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स इतने मोटे मोटे होते हैं कि 400 पेजेस होते हैं उसमें. टॉक अमंगस्ट योर work peers and see if there can be digital alternatives you can use for it. So when you use digital alternatives, you actually end up saving money. You don't have to spend money at printers. Number 3, eat local. What I mean by eat local is कि आप जितनी बारी भी अपने area के local farmer market में जाके shopping करते हो, you ensure that you have good produce, good quality produce, but also that you are supporting your farmers and your local business owners around you. So आप जितनी बार भी अपना राशन भर रहे हैं घर का, produce खरीद रहे हैं, try to source it locally. बाबा मुझे हमेशा ये कहते हैं, I love avocados, okay? एक point था when I would always eat avocados and बाबा would always look at me like कि ठीक है, you want to eat avocados, eat that, but also eat this. Like he would give me like a seasonal fruit that is coming around that time of the year. And I used to be like, but what is your problem? Avocado is healthy, I'm eating it. He's like, Prajakta, you eat whatever you want to eat, but you also need to give yourself the nourishment of eating what is locally grown in the area that you're born, in the state or the region that you're born in. Your body के लिए it's conducive that you eat local food. So it's extremely healthy for you. Most times it is cheaper. You are supporting local businesses. Now, what I mean by that is try to go to a market and buy your dhania, your kadi patta, your pyaz, tomato, lasun instead of ordering it home, because there is a chance that it will come home in plastic bags. Also, it will be cheaper if you go out and buy it yourself. Also, pro tip, this is a new thing that I have learned through a conversation that I had, which I didn't know about. Every time you cut a packet of doodh ki theli or bread or anything which is made in plastic, make sure you don't snip it all the way through. Keep it attached. That way it gets recycled. The smaller bits always get lost. So if your plastic is going to go to get recycled, make sure that it's attached. That snippet that you cut off is attached to the bigger packet. But try to avoid as much as you can. यार ये भी बताऊंगी तो नहीं कि single use plastics avoid करने. Speaking of waste, number 4, please segregate your waste. Please segregate your waste. You just need 2 bins for dry waste and wet waste. Every time I say this, conversation comes down to हाँ प्राजक्ता हम अपने घर में तो कर लेंगे लेकिन जो हमारे घर पे आते हैं वो उस वेस्ट को लेके मिक्स कर देते हैं. Then if you are in a place where you can raise this with your apartment complex, with the committee that runs this, if you can possibly raise this issue कि जब वेस्ट आपके यहाँ से निकलता है तो सेग्रीगेट होके निकले, that if you can at least do your part in that much, it's a huge step. Number 5, which was a change that honestly happened in my house very recently. This was a conversation that Mama Abba and I had. We would not buy in bulk क्योंकि बड़े सालों से it's just been the 3 of us in our house. Especially with my work lately, I'm traveling a lot. I'm barely ever there at home. तो घर पे is just Mama and Baba. तो कई बार जब हमारे घर में राशन भरा जाता था तो we would only get little कि अभी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ले लो. What ended up happening was that we would have more plastic waste in our house because we would keep buying smaller packets of food. Till I had a very in-depth conversation about this with Afros when we did our beach cleanup drive, and I realized that this is galat. Or I come from a place where I am in a position where I know that this is galat. But however, मेरे घर में ये बड़े साल से चलता आ रहा है. So then we decided that we're only going to buy in bulk. So उससे आपका packaging reduce होता है, waste of this packaging reduces, and it's also much cheaper if you buy in bulk. So yeah, these are a few things that we do. I've spoken about composting before in general. I've spoken about having a little kitchen garden at home कि कड़ी पत्ता, basil, जो भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं ये आपने घर पे उगा लिया. Or everything else. A very close friend of mine, Saurav, and his wife actually have a whole kitchen garden in their terrace in Andheri where they grow tomatoes and chilies and pumpkins and things like that. It's great. It's healthier. It makes you happier. You end up saving money. So if you really look at it, sustainability is actually a cheaper option, especially if you're living in a city like Mumbai where everything is so expensive. Give it a thought. Not because I'm saying it, but because it is your moral responsibility to contribute in this fight that we have against climate change. But yeah, happy World Environment Day to everyone. And let me know अगर आप कोई ऐसी चीज़ें करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में that have proved beneficial to you for leading a more sustainable life, and I'd love to put them into use in my life too. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I will see you again very, very soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do that. It's free. Also follow me on Instagram at Mostly Sane. Funsies happen there on the dailies. Okay, I'll see you soon until we meet. Love.